Welcome to Crypto 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment in general. And right now, I just want to take a look at the market one with you so we know what is going on in the market. Today is Monday, and we really need to know what's going on. On the calendar, we can see nothing much is happening today. No big news, nothing is going to happen. But we'll be expecting some great news coming out on Tuesday, on Wednesday, Thursday, and on Friday, which we're going to be bringing to your views as time goes on. My name is Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, and this is Market Watch, talking about how we're going to look at the chart and what we should be expecting in the market. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, I expect you to do that right now. Subscribe, like, and share. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you do not miss any of the great content we're dropping on this. First of all, we can see BTC, or the market cap generally, is trading at 850 billion. We've been around this figure since last year, and we've been going between 850 back to 890, 900 billion, and now we're sitting at 852 billion. And the traded volume was 38 billion. It's Monday, nothing's actually happening, and we know it was weekend, so we don't expect to see much more volume. But I bet you we're going to see it rising to 40 billion, 50 billion, if not even 100 billion in the nearest future, talking about in 2-3 days time. And also we can see BTC is still the dominance in the market, and Ethereum still remain the second dominant in the market, which is 18.9, with BTC at 39.9. You can see Shiba Inu is trading at is trending, excuse me, Bitcoin is trending, and Polygon is trending. And I think why Polygon is trending is because we now know MasterCard is now merging or collaborating with Polygon. And I think that's a good news, talking about something positive coming out of crypto this beginning of 2023. And you do not want to miss it. I said on my video last week or something like that, Polygon, I mean the Matic token, is a token I'm thinking someone should start looking at, and probably we can accumulate some, and just for investment purpose, not for trading, because sometimes it's not worth enough. It worth about let me show you, it's about 0.86, you understand? So trading it now, you might not know how to calculate your risks, or you might be buying it so much that you lose your money. But if you're doing it as an investment, I think it's a good time where you can start buying, probably maybe $100 every week or $100 every day. I don't know, it depends on whatever you have. But I think Matic is one of the tokens someone needs to invest in before the next bull run. So right now we can see Bitcoin is trading at 72,253. ETH is trading at 1,320, and we can see Polygon is trading at 0.86 cents, Solana at 16. And I think Solana is doing well, because we all know what happened last year when FTX was having an issue. It affected Solana because they have so much Solana on their balance sheet, which is even illiquid, you understand? And a lot of people were saying, so probably a lot of Solana token were even illiquid, and that affected, and a lot of people were withdrawing their money. And we saw Solana move down to below $10. I think it was trading at some point at $8, $9, but now it has doubled the price within 1 month, or let's just say within the new year. Is now sitting at $16, and that's a good one. Litecoin keeps pushing up. We can see Litecoin is at 82. Tron, which is Justin Sun issue, and we all know Justin Sun has been trending. Huobi Exchange has been trending because of what people are saying. They lay off about 20% of the staff, and people are even saying they are insolvent. And now we are seeing Justin Sun partaking in it again. And you all know anything Justin Sun is coming into to say, or to just talk something about, or be part of it, there's something wrong in between or behind the scene. We saw the way he was quick to want to save FTX, but it was too late. We saw the way he was quick to come and transfer some money to Binance, and even this will be now, we saw what he did by him transferring 100 million to them as well. So I feel that guy is a bad actor, or probably is just too good to be good for us to say the bad ones. But I believe time will tell. But 2023, you need to be careful. Also, we can see Chainlink at $6, and the list goes on. Let's quickly check some NFT out as well. We can see NFT right here. The top 10 still remains CryptoPunk number 1 Most of them have bought API chart number 2 and 3, and these they've been dragging the position for like I can say 1 year now. If you familiar with NFTs and regarding the top 10, we cannot see any new. Okay, we can see one force made it to top 10. Beans now made it to it, but Clonex has always been there. Azuki has always been there. But Ape Kenneth Club has always been there. And other the forward side has always been on the list when it comes to top 10. So I think you just need to take a look at that and be careful on what you do. So let's check out what is really going on in the market regarding the chart. We can see right now BTC is trading at 17,254. And if you want to get to know what is really going to happen regarding the chart analysis or the signal where you need to buy or sell, the link is down in the description. Subscribe to our Discord channel and our Telegram, whereby we'll be dropping the signals for you. It's free of charge. You don't need to pay us a dime, and you just make money for yourself free of charge. But right now, what are we expecting to see from BTC? We can see BTC is moving a little bit out. We know the news came out last week talking about the NFP, and I think that's why we're seeing this just short movement. But what you need to know what's going to happen next, you can check that out on our Discord channel. But right now, BTC is trading at 17,254. We can see so much green candles just pushing it up. Is it going to continue like that, or we're going to see it turn around? Check our Discord channel out, and don't forget to subscribe to our Telegram channel as well, so you can get all the links to whatever we're dropping on the show. All right, let's check out what the fear and greed looks like in the market today. The fear and greed is sitting at 25, and I think I will still around extreme fear. You understand? You will still around extreme fear, and whenever we're around extreme fear, that's when you need to start accumulating some token. But you just don't buy now. You need to make sure you have the understanding of where the market is going, and that's why you need to join the Discord channel, guys. And I bet you're not gonna regret it. So that's on Market Watch today, and I'll catch you next time on another episode. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that right now. See, subscribe right here, like and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell. I still remain myself, Ahmed Olad, which you can see. I'll leave you now, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.